Hi Debs! In this chapter, I explain RAG Retrieval-Augmented Generation. The key message is simple. The model does not automatically know the content of our CV. If we want answers based on our own documents, the backend must retrieve the relevant information first and pass the information as context. This chapter connects the business need with the technical flow. We could take the VTT files generated from a Microsoft Teams meeting, or even the VTT files from our own videos, and send them to the RAG system. We could then ask questions related to that meeting. Many local councils and political parties are already interested in running this type of solution locally, because these conversations cannot be sent to the cloud. This is the problem statement. A language model can generate fluent text, but it does not automatically know your CV or any private document. Without RAG, it may respond using general patterns or even hallucinate. With RAG, our application first searches the resume and gives the model only the relevant evidence. This makes the answer more reliable and easier to control. I break RAG into 3 steps. Retrieve means search for the chunks that are related to the user's question. Augment means build a prompt that includes those chunks as context. Generate means ask the model to produce the final answer using only that context. A simple phrase for students. First we search, then we ask the AI with evidence. This slide shows the complete backend pipeline. We start from the resume file, extract the text and split it into chunks. Then we generate embeddings for those chunks and store them in PostgreSQL with pgvector. When the user asks a question, we generate an embedding for the question, search the most similar chunks, build the prompt, and call Ollama. The key idea is that the backend controls the process. The model only generates the final answer with the context we provide. Here I answer a very common question. Why not send the entire CV to the model every time? The first reason is performance. More text means heavier prompts and slower responses. The second reason is precision. Too much irrelevant text can distract the model. RAG improves the flow because it selects only the pieces that are relevant to the user question. This slide focuses on prompt discipline. In a RAG chatbot, the prompt should explicitly tell the model to answer only using the retrieved context. It should also say what to do when the answer is not found. The chatbot must admit that there is not enough information. I would explain that this is not only a prompt trick. It is also a product requirement for trust and quality. I close by repeating the core idea. RAG connects AI with your own data. The application retrieves information first and only then calls the model. The prompt must be explicit so the answer is limited to the provided evidence. This prepares the student for the next chapter, where we will explain embeddings and semantic search. Thank you, mates. See you on the next video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.